Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will do Desmos hacks. Desmos has a scientific calculator and a graphic calculator built in. So just Desmos is an incredible tool for your ACT, especially if you know how to use it properly. Even to solve many SAT questions, also hard equations. So I can say definitely Desmos just saves your life. So Desmos hack one, solving algebra equation. So just like algebra equation, to solve any algebra equation on the ACT by graphing two sides or two equations, and just by looking their intersection point, you will see your answer, or just your x value or just your y value. So when two sides of an equation are graphed and the points of just their intersection shows their solution. So let's solve this one. If 2/5 x minus 2 and equals to 2x minus 4, then what is the value of x, right? So let's solve this one. Actually, it is not like okay. So 2/5 x minus 2 over 2x minus 4, then their intersection point is here, 1.25, and the y value is negative 1.5. So the question asks us what the x value. So the x value is just 1.25. The correct answer is 1.25. So you will see like this kind of question on your SAT. Actually, this is like its difficulty level is just easy, but also you can use like difficult for difficult question or more advanced questions. So what is the larger of the two solutions to the equation? 8x minus 4 in parentheses times x minus 10 squared is equals to 18. So let's solve this one again. 8x y is equals to 8x minus 4 times x minus 10 is square root of, and y is equals to 18. So this is their intersection point, 10 and 10,18 and 12,18. Just they have two solutions. So we have two x values here, 10 and 12. So but the question asks us the larger value, right? So the answer is 12.